I'm trying to import this file, this Excel file into monday.com. So let's get started. Here I come to monday.com. I create a board and I'll name the board. So let's name the board Monday import templates. And let's make it custom. Okay, items. And let's create a board. So here we've created our board. So before we proceed to import, we have to first look at the columns of what we want to import. And so let's look at the column again. Looking at the column, we could see different. We have different columns. We have different columns. We have name, email, phone number, can you call? So we're going to try to edit all of them like this. So this is going to be for name, and let's get email. So we can use text for email. So let's edit this to email, and we drag here. We drag it here, and the next is phone number. So we come here, we search for phone, and then we have it here. We can go further to put the number. And the next is a company name. We could use text as a company name. And the next is role. We could also use text as role. We could use text as role. The next is okay. The next we have here is CRM tools used. So we could also use text for it. CRM tool used. And the next one is dates. Okay, I think we already have dates here. So the next one is dates. So we have dates here. So let's edit it further to dates joined. So we go again. The next one is status. We already have status, and revenue. Revenue should be number. So let's edit it to revenue. And dollar sign. Then the last one is notes. So notes should be tests. So let's edit it further to notes. So now we're done. Okay, we're not done. Let's edit the let's edit the status label. Let's edit the label. So in the file we have the status we have are pending, active, and inactive. We have three status. So we should use this yellow one as pending. Then we could use this red one as inactive, and inactive. And then we use the green one as active. So okay, now let's try to import. So, and also I want to change this item here to name. To change this item, because it's name that is displayed on the file and not item name, I want to change it to name. So to change that, I click on this three icon. I go to settings, I go to change item terminology, I select custom, and I impute name and change. Then voila, you can see we have name here. So now to import that Excel sheet, we come here, click on more action, then see import name, we click on it. Then we'll go to browse our file that we want to import. So this is the file. We click on it and click open. So automatically the file has been uploaded. So we click on next. Then we select the column where it will start from. So it will start from name. Then we click on next. Then we make sure they are properly mapped. So you could see email is linked to email, phone number is linked to phone number, company name is linked to company name, role. So we go further to check they are all properly linked. Then we click on next, and you could see create new items. This create new item means you can be able to add and duplicate new items on the board. So you see we can be able to add. Then this one you will not be able to add item, then overwrite existing, but we're going with this create new items. So we click on start import, and it's importing for us. It's importing, and voila, you could see, and you could see all the items are automatically imported for us. They are all imported. Okay, this is how to import items from an Excel sheet to monday.com. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and share.